Shri Gurupyo Namaha, Shri Dhanvantare Namaha. Here I go to tell about how to increase your immunity and how to cure respiratory problems in this pandemic time by Ayurvedic means. Start your very fresh day with tulsi, pipali, long pepper fruit, and ginger tea to strengthen and cleanses the upper respiratory tract. Ginger tea. When it comes to treating a common cold, ginger is one of the best foods for relief. It is an anti-inflammatory properties. It will cure cold, flu, as well as it will play a major role in boosting your immunity. Then take a 15 ml of amla juice daily. Optionally, take Chyawanprash legume to supply extra antioxidant and strengthen your immunity. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, hence it helps to boost your immunity, metabolism, and prevents viral and bacterial ailments including cold and cough. Take 2 teaspoons of amla juice with equal portions of honey. It will cure cold and cough. Green tea. Green tea is the best one for weight loss, we know, as well as it is the best sources for fighting off the cold. It contains antioxidant that boost immunity and has anti-inflammatory properties. It is powerful antibacterial and antiviral and can kill off cold starting bacteria and influenza virus. Pepper. Pepper is a common thing we use in many food items for digestion purpose. It is low in calories and are loaded with good nutrition. All varieties are excellent sources for vitamin A and C and potassium and folic acid and fiber. Black pepper. Black pepper with honey is the best tonic for cold. Crushed pepper, it will cure cold, kapha, also dry, wet and chronic cough. Boil a glass of water plus pepper powder plus jaggery. It will cure your cough. Take crushed pepper with pinch of salt. It will cure throat pain. Take pepper with ghee with a pinch of salt. It will cure indigestion. Take pepper powder with boiled milk with turmeric after food at night. It will cure your cold and cough. Applying crushed pepper to gum. It will cure your toothache. Let me see about some churnas to cure our respiratory problems. Karpuradi Churnam. It is the best Ayurvedic medicine in herbal powder form. It used for respiratory diseases. Karpuradi Churnam with honey in equal quantity for cold and respiratory diseases. Rasnadi Churnam. It applied externally only. Rasnadi Churnam paste with castor oil and applied on forehead to get relief from headache associated with sinusitis. Then Triphala Churnam. It is a combination of 3 fruits, Haritaki, Pipitaki and Amla. It is a powerful combination for boosting your immunity and guarding the body from infections. This Pipitaki promotes the normal functions of respiratory system and cleanses the lungs. Haritaki. It detoxifies the body and loses weight. Amla, that is gooseberry. This triphala has been shown to alleviate bronchial hyperactivity in asthma. Then Trikattu Churnam. It is a combination of maricha, pepper, nagara, dry ginger and pipali, long pepper. It will decreases obesity, diminished digestive power, cures asthma, cough and running nose and cures filariasis. Then Cytopaladi Churna. It will cure fever-linked flu, chest congestion, and other respiratory diseases like pneumonia, bronchitis, tuberculosis. This loosens kapha and anti-inflammatory properties, treats respiratory diseases. The main functions of this churna is to restore lung capacity, improve pulmonary performance, and boost your immunity. Not only food increases your immunity. To increase your immunity, you must look upon some asanas. Saptavirasana, Urdhva Hastasana, Uttanasana, Prana Apana 5 times in morning and evening in with both hands and meditate for 20 minutes. Eat healthy, live healthy. Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu.